Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. I don't know why I'm doing another intro. I know I'm gonna record an intro during editing. But, oh dear, today I'm gonna be doing a lot of building, a lot of changing. I'm gonna basically completely revamp everything, so... instead of starting in Minecraft, like we normally do, for every video, we're gonna start in my art program. Ha! You thought this was a Minecraft video. Today you're getting tricked into watching art. Yeah, anyway.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.
Back, Editor Atlas. This is my video. Anyway, so as you saw with the drawing, that's currently what I plan to do, but it's going to take quite a while. So, I plan on lowering this down by 2, and, yeah, let's see how that goes, I guess. This build took so much longer than I thought it would. I thought it would take maybe 2 or so hours, and I was really annoyed with myself that I couldn't get a functioning version of the replay mod to show this from a better perspective. However, after 4 hours of recording and not even being halfway done, I realized this would likely be the majority of this video. My plan layout looks something like this, and I didn't stick to it exactly because I came up with more ideas as I was building. This includes making floating towers and space for me to access hidden automation beneath the platforms. I typically don't draw or really share my building ideas, mostly because I want to keep them a surprise, but I quickly realized with how big of a build this was going to be, I would lose track of where I am in my head. Other edits I plan on adding are a lake beneath the floating center island and a mob grinder going through it, auto-sorting all my materials around the innermost circle, and hopefully the ability to automate everything in a really nice and clean fashion, though none of that will be done today. Though not for a lack of trying, but for a lack of time. I've said this on stream, but I've spent over 8 hours working on this part of the build alone, and it's not even done. However, I am quite happy with the state it's in right now. Just for reference, here's some other concept sketches I want to add as time goes on. Like I said, the mob grinder and the towers, the automation beneath, and the lake. Hopefully these sketches convey what I'm looking at in my design now that I have some hands in the build. That being said, let's drop back in with Recording Atlas and see how he feels about the state of the build.
my head. Did you really mean the words you said? Yeah, that's the way I see it. You had every chance to walk away, walk away. Yeah. You and me are perfect, but I don't wanna hurt no one. When all is said and done, just tell me that I'm worth it. Tell me I'm the only one, yeah. Baby, it's been so long, I'm calling out your name. Do you think of me? Just tell me if you feel the same. I will leave the lights turn the beat up, turn the beat up. I'ma let my hair down now. No, I shouldn't pretend. I'ma do it anyway, turn the beat up, want to ride up. I'ma let my hair down now, wanna get down to my favorite sound. I'ma let you in real close, I know I shouldn't do this right. I'ma do it anyway, I kinda wanna lock this down. Turn the beat up, want to ride up. Turn the beat up, want to ride up. Turn the beat up, want to ride up. Shouldn't pretend, I shouldn't pretend. I'ma do it anyway, turn the beat up, want to ride up. I'ma let my hair down now, wanna get down to my favorite sound. I'ma let you in real close, I know I shouldn't do this right. I'ma do it anyway, I kinda wanna lock this down. Turn the beat up, want to ride up. Turn the beat up, want to ride up. Turn the beat up, want to ride up. Turn the beat up, want to ride up.
Trying to impress me, pulling out all the stops. Making my dizzy when you tell me what you want.
Oh my god, that was a build. That was about 8.5, 9 hours of like resource gathering and building and putting shit together. And technically speaking, I'm not even done because I haven't reset up my stuff. So, that was quite the journey. I hope you guys had fun. If you didn't have fun, I'm not sorry. I'm kidding. This is a joke. Don't worry. But oh my goodness, that was certainly a long build. Dude, whenever I'm recording this part the next day after I finish the build. It took me 2 days to finish just this base part. And I'm like recording the next part now, and I was genuinely in so much pain afterwards from sitting and working on this for so freaking long that I could not like move my hands. Do you know how long you have to be working on something to not be able to move your hands? That is insane. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm right now resetting up my cobblestone farm because I'm very low on cobblestone, and I would like to get a mob farm set back up within a reasonable amount of time, ideally. I would like to have at least parts of my setup done for like making next video easier, because there's still so much to do, dude. There is just an ungodly amount of things to finish. I did not realize how long this would take. I thought this would be like a 2.5, 3 hour long project, and boy was I wrong. But this is the nature of overselling yourself. Going, yes, I can finish this easily. No, you can't. No, you cannot. Nice. Eventually I'll get used to this new layout. But today is not that day. Alright, so I have this. I think what I next want to do is a 3 or 4 tier farm setup. Because I think having the bare necessities of like cobblestone and food set up, I think that's like gonna be like the most important thing right now in getting everything put back. I know I'm like running on like the last twigs of my building resources right now, but it doesn't feel like I should be. I change where the torches are entirely depending on where the stairs are. Now I just need a hoe. Alright, so down here is going to be my wheat. Up here will be potatoes, and up top will be carrots. There we go. And with that, I'm calling the episode. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed because, ow. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye everyone!
Yeah, things are gonna get better.